how to use a hemming foot. So these days we have a lot of attachments for sewing machines. I have hemming foots of 1/8, I think 3/16 and quarter inch. So I'm gonna use a 1/4 inch right now. And the way how you start, you don't really need to use the folder at the beginning. You can just fold it on your own, but I'm gonna show you. And then when you are about to pass the side seams or the joints, you can take off that foot, do it manually, and then you can go through it. There are good folders that will let you go through it no problem, but not all of them are like that. Some of them will get stuck, so I'm going to show you right now. So this folder, it's 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch finish. So I already started it. So basically when I started, I just manually sew from here to here, and then I inserted the folder. So look, so the key thing is you have to feed enough fabric. If you do this, I don't know if you guys see it. If you this is gonna come out, so you have to add enough fabric and do it evenly. See, the folder works on its own, but you have to add enough fabric so it can fold. Look how beautiful it is. That's why the hems, they look so great when they're done, because it's a folder that does it. So look, you can go fast, but always keep an eye on it. You know, don't add too much, don't feed it too much, and don't add less. Also, I don't know if you see my hand. My hand, it's right here, and what I'm doing, I'm holding the bottom and letting the top go, because you know what? If the hem is straight, you have even bottom and top fabric. But if the hem is rounded, what happens is that this edge is bigger than the bottom, and if you don't do this, what's gonna happen is it's going to create creases. um See, so this is how you do it. So I'm holding it a bit, and it's good, it's coming out good. And then we're getting closer to a side seam. So here, a lot of people do this. They chop this portion of the hem, this seam, I'm sorry, and then they go through it. Let's try it, because this fabric, it's not that thick, so I think we're gonna be okay. uh, let's see, yeah, it worked. um, but a lot of times fabrics are not that thick, so then you have a problem because they get stuck. So what I would have done, let's say this is the seam, I would have taken this out and do it by hand and then put it back again. So that's a trick for thicker material. This one, it's great because it's very thin. You can even see through it. So you put it back again as a champ. See? Let's finish this hem right now. So since we are at the end, I just pull it out and I just kind of do this manually. And there is one thing I want to show you guys. Although it looks simple, you need to know that this foot has a guide. You must have this guide. So if you see this is lower, it goes up and down, and this one presses it down. So that is a trick. So you must use this one. With regular foot, it will work, but this is the best way to do it. You see how it end up? Look, amazing. Love it. Straight stitching. And if you have an industrial sewing machine, you will notice that there's this little circle right here with screw, and then 2 holes to screw. This is for any attachment you might have to use for your sewing machine. So this is, not everybody knows this, but this is why they put it this way. They leave this kind of I call that plate for that purpose, so you can add any attachment to it. This folder, I have a few of them. So this folder is 1/16, so it's super tiny. Then the 1/4 inch, but we saw this one already. Then this is 3/8, and the last one is 1/2 inch. I haven't used these, but the 1/4 inch is the one that I use most of the time. That's all I have for you guys today about how to use a hemming folder and what tricks you have to use when you pass the joints, or how to control it better. Thank you so much. See you next time.